On a previous video, we were together and we talked about primers and the importance of always using a primer. Many times, a primer alone is not enough to prepare your surface for the color and clear coatings. That is where we enter into the world of fillers, commonly known by the generic term Bondo. These come in various types, colors, formulations, and use cases. It is also important to understand the basic differences in fillers. The simplest form of filler is the 1K variety. Typically, these would be referred to as lacquer putty and require no additional components for their use. These types of fillers are very useful for what they are designed for, but have significant limitations. They are good for filling pinholes and very small imperfections in the surface. However, you must also keep in mind that if they are applied too thick, they will not cure properly, and since they are not catalyzed, they can shrink, lift, and/or react with coatings being applied over them. The other type of filler are the two-part fillers that are very common. These are typically styrene-based and require a hardener to make them get hard. This process can happen rapidly, which can allow for much quicker repair times. Mixture ratios of the product to hardener are crucial for curing and working of the filler. These products are a mixture of talc and other solids depending upon the characteristics being sought after for the specific repair. They come in many different varieties to match almost any type of repair. The mixing of the two products is also very important. The hardener must be thoroughly mixed into the filler so that the voids and/or soft spots do not occur. Some manufacturers even have products that change colors as they are properly mixed and then change again when cured and ready for sanding. Complete mixing also helps to prevent pinholes in the surface. The last filler that is available is a glazing putty. These newer products are also 2K, so they require a hardener also. This makes their setup times much faster and speeds up the filling process. Once these are sanded smooth, they are ready for primer. As with all auto body products, follow the recommended mixing ratios and never apply these products beyond their recommended thickness. That's about it for today. Thanks so much for being with you. We'll see you on the next episode where we will dig into the final steps of painting.